finally managed to pin down my tame welder. He's just dropped me a message. I'm straight to his house. I don't know if I've got enough. We need something to hang it on. I've got some threaded rod because it only had one little hook on exhaust where it was hanging on. And can you see it back at the truck actually? There is an old saw that's blunt and knackered. So we're going to try and patch the box for that. And that'll just do me then till it is booked in with Tony Banks at Leeds. We're going to get a proper system on it. But in the meantime, this will make it drivable. So yeah, let's crack on. Now my neighbours have a young baby, so I don't really want to be starting this on the driveway with no exhaust. So what I'm going to do, I live on a hill, so I'm going to try and freewheel as far away from the house as I can. God, brakes are heavy. Should be used to that on my Dodge. Right, we're freewheeling. So, a bit of choke. It's not working, is it? Come on, baby, you can do it. Don't want to go now. Started perfect on driveway the other day. Let's try half choke. Let's try no choke. Full choke. Let's try bump start it. Well, that were running to some degree, wasn't it? Good grief. This ain't good. Oh shit. Serious. Right, third gear, come on. No, not doing it. So what's broken? Oh my god. No choke, clutch choke, come on. This ain't good, is it? put it in fourth and see what happens. This is not good. I'm gonna have to freewheel into this estate here and see what happens. These things are sent to try us. Katie. Handbrake. What's that? Something like ready. Oh dear. Better call him, tell him I'm going to be late. That's been an interesting hour and a half. Not got it running. Don't know what it is. It's got fuel. Thought I might have flooded it. Pulled plugs, they were wet. Give them a bit of a blow clean. Cranked it over without plugs. Still not firing. It's got power at coil. Not sure. So we grabbed this old Merc that I have and we towed it back near the house. Not on driveway, because my driveway is that 1 in 5 straight up. So I don't know how to get it on driveway. So I've got a car 50 metres from my house that I need to fix. So where can it be though? Fuel, air, spark, compression. It's got all them. It ran perfectly. I feel like it's like an electrical fault, like something just dropped off. But we'll have to chase it down. We'll work it out.